How's everything going, guys? Today's the day, August 2nd, 6:30 p.m. roughly Eastern Standard Time. Let's hop into the Bitcoin charts. A little pullback. We're having a little pullback. Nothing crazy at all. Actually, completely normal. We got really overextended here as we came up so quickly. What is that? Say, 21 of July to August 1st, so roughly a week, we shot up $10,000, which is nothing unheard of Bitcoin, obviously. But here we are in a slight retracement, which is normal. Nobody should be freaking out. Everything's fine. I'm going to show you some imaginary lines that I drew that I think are possible touch points for consolidation in the hourly and the daily charts. Right now we're going to start off with the hourly. So if I zoom in here, sorry about that. If I zoom in, this is Bitcoin on the hourly. I drew my line here at 38.5 roughly. Now we could have, we could hover right here, right around $40,000. This is also another good touching point area, in between $39,000 and $40,000. We could get some consolidation, just go straight out here, kind of like we saw back here in the, same range exactly. We could do exactly this and have another leg up, but this time higher than the previous. I don't think that's going to happen. I think we are going to come a little bit lower, down to around the 38.5 level, and hover a little bit lower, down around this range here, in between 38.5 and 38.8. Have some more consolidation there. And then we could shoot up from there. We could, if I take my little drawing tool, we could, we come down here on the hourly, come down, consolidate, and then start to work our way back up, making a new high. However, if we don't hold here at 38.5, I do think we're going to go slightly lower, which also is not a bad thing. Sorry. My other line right here at 35,986, so roughly $36,000 to $35,500 is my next target if we lose that support at 38.5. So I think this may be a much better place to consolidate at, and then we'll have a much larger pump to the upside. If we do that, that's awesome, and I think that's where we're going, honestly. Because if you pull up the VPVR, come on, load. Here we are here. Well, it's on the hourly. If I switch over to the daily, the VPVR is showing right at my imaginary lines in the sand that I drew here at 35,586, and that lines up with around also $36,000. So in between 35 and 36, it's a really great place to come back down and consolidate. And that's not a bad thing, right? We're still making a new higher low. If we break this, then we're going to be in some trouble, right? So we're going to be looking good either way if we consolidate here in this range and then shoot back up, or worst case scenario, we drop down to 35.5, 36,000. We're still looking good for continuation in this bull cycle. I don't think this is a dead cat bounce, but we'll have to see if it breaks these levels here. If it breaks 35.5 and we come back down and then we hit our head again on 35.5, then we might be screwed. We could be coming down lower, and then that might spell the complete end of this cycle, total bear market. But we'll just have to see. We'll have to see how this plays out. I'm going to be looking, like I said, right here at the 38. Oh, sorry, my 38.5 level here, 38.6, 38.5 level. That's where I'm looking to see if we're going to break lower down to 35. If we break lower past 35, bear market. If not, awesome continuation in the bull market. Make some good gains, and then we're back to it. Hopefully we can break, I can't wait to see this broken up here at 65,000, but that's on a little bit larger time scale as you move out to the weekly. Anyway, that's just a quick update, little daily video, and hope to see you guys tomorrow and see if my lines are playing out like I predict or if I'm just way off. But hopefully you guys learned a little something, and hopefully this is useful to somebody. Have a good rest of the day. Later.